Okay, here's a picture of a guitar, and there's a grid that shows the strings of the guitar. And you see these on chord charts for guitar players, easy guitar playing. And this chart here is for an E chord. So down the bottom we've got the names of the strings, starting from the top string, the one closest to you. And to make the E chord, start with a G sharp. So the first finger goes on the G sharp. So you see you go on the G string and up one fret. It's a semitone, raises the note up to G sharp, which is good. And we're going to put our second finger on the A string and make a on the second fret, and that'll be the note the B. So in the E chord you've got three notes, E, G sharp and B. So here comes the B, putting a second finger there. There it goes. Had a bit of trouble with that. So now we've got three notes we could play. We can play the low E, which is open, the B on the A string, and the G sharp on the G string. With our third finger, we're going to add another E. So on the D string, we're going to go to the second fret, and we'll have an E. Without the fingers covering it. So the notes we've got there are E, B, E, G sharp, with the two open strings there, B and E. So it makes a nice big sounding chord, a major chord. And I'll just show you some of the right hand patterns you can use to trigger those sounds, and make sure you've got your fingers down properly. That's just a basic exercise there. Going with your right hand, thumb first, then just plucking the other, or stroking the other strings with your fingers, top of your fingers, bottom of your fingers. Try different things. Just try to keep a steady pace going with the thumb and left hand. You can alternate between the E string and the A string, so you're playing E and B, make your own little bass line. Now for a little bit of variation, we can take away our third finger and just play the open D. That gives us an E7 chord. which is kind of a funkier, bluesier type sound, which you can experiment with. So then you've just got the 1 and 2 fingers. The 1 finger stays on the G sharp, and the other finger's on the B. And it sounds a little something like this. So now just practice alternating, taking that third finger away and sounding in those notes. Anyway, so now we're just going into the play along section now. So I'm playing the E chord and I'm going into a few little things, just playing major thirds, minor thirds, sticking a couple of notes together, which I'll show you in the next lesson. So you have to come back and check that one out.